Okay. What I want to recommend for beginners who are coming into Jetpack Compose or guys who already understand programming languages and they're coming to Jetpack Compose, I'd like to recommend that they try and visit the documentation, just the Jetpack Compose, the annual documentation, and you take a look at it. Most of the things they are are quite like they are very self-explanatory. At least it gives you an idea of what you need to learn and stuff. So, like this really helped me while I was starting my Jetpack Compose uh, learning process. Right. So these three in particular are very important. Right. Very important. So let's say, since we are already on teaming, we come here, go to explore. So they kind of give you a kind of orientation on how you should go, video, what to watch, how to understand. So they try to make it very easy for us to understand, right? So you can just busy go around. You see there's a documentation here that talks about live teaming and stuff relating to this. So I just suggest while you're in this topic, because while we're in this tutorial, I'll be showing you places where they talk about teaming, colors, app bars, and stuff like that, right? So just put this at the back of your mindset. So let's go back to our applications, right? So right here, we're not going to make use of the entire font for this project. We might just make use of 3 or 2 or maybe 4. I don't know. So right here, we'll come to typography. If you remember, we're in type.kt. Okay, let me close it for some of you that don't know where we are. You come to UI, you close your project, you come here, you open this, you open UI, then type.kt. Right, so we're under typography. Right, so this typography method, it shows you all the methods. Right. Oh, how do I open this? I don't know about Windows users, but for Mac users, for Mac, you just hit on the Fn and F3, right? Is it? Okay, it's not opening again. Okay, for Mac users, you hit on the Fn key and F4. Yes. So we're going to make use of. We already have body large, so we're going to specify the body large the way we want it to be. So on body large, we have font family to default. No, our font family is going to be this inter family already specified here already. We specify here already. Don't mind my English. Sorry, I'm Nigerian. Okay, so the font weight is going to be W700. It's going to be W700. Right. So by default, since we specified W700, it's going to make our text interbold by default. So then for our font size, let's make it 20. The SP line height, we just leave the way it is. We're going to leave it the way it is. This body large. Okay, let's copy. Let's do another one. No, we have to put a comma. Okay, so let's say body medium, right? Body medium should be okay. Let's use the medium, that is 500, and if body large is 20, let's call this 16, and let's use for the next one body small. Let's use body small. So body small would be, okay, let's use a lighter as 300. Now, if you recall, 300 here specifies light, right? So our family is interfamily. Our family is interfamily. Sorry if my voice is low. So by doing this, we have successfully set up our text styling. which we are going to connect to the application.